Child support in Ohio is determined by again by a statutory guidelines based on income, based on the income of both parties. But that's not always cut and dry, and that's probably one of the another reason you should get to an attorney quickly, is because there certainly can be times where child support is can be deviated downward depending on the circumstances. And there are cases where child support can be deviated or raised upward from what the standard would be. There is something called the Ohio Child Support Guidelines, which is just basically, it's a formula where the courts apply the income of both parties. They take some deductions, for instance, if there's health insurance costs, if there are daycare costs, and that prints out a number, and that's called your basic guideline child support. However, that guideline is basically created or done with one parent having the child the majority of the time and the other parent only having, for example, every other weekend or maybe one day a week. So at our office, our philosophy is that child support, that's just a starting point, that guideline. There's got to be a number of factors applied, such as the income of the parties, the true income of the parties, the parties' real earning capacity, how much time the parties are spending with the children, how much time or how much money they're spending when they do have the children, how much daycare costs there really are, how much health insurance really is. So that guideline is just a starting point, because no computer can truly capture the true life of two people who have children.